Do you want to know the changes that your body goes through apart from what you see in the mirror week by week? How your baby grows and what you should do in all these days? Let our series of Pregnancy Weekly take you through this journey of 9 months, week by week, to make you aware of this. It is a journey full of experiences. Do not color it with beliefs acquired through others' experiences. Know the facts and experience it for yourself. Know what to anticipate and have an informed, educated journey through your pregnancy. It is the most beautiful time of your life because, like David O'Mackey quoted, motherhood is the one thing in all the world which most truly exemplifies God given virtues of creating and sacrificing. Tell your body to obey your mind and keep your mind in a positive frame of mind. Trimester. You have embarked on the first week of your trimester, but the first 3 weeks is past and some of you do not even realize it. The zygote gets formed in the first week as explained in our previous video, and the fetus forms after 2 weeks of your last menstruation period. So the age of fetus is 1 week. The non-planners may wonder why you feel different, or maybe you would feel fatigue, mood swings, or breast soreness. Yes, the emotional and physical changes start from the first week itself, or maybe you won't feel anything till you miss the dates. You may also have increased vaginal discharge. Only when you start experiencing pregnancy symptoms may you go in for further tests. The 2 lines in your strip test for pregnancy would confirm the arrival of this new life. So if you do see those 2 lines in your strip, congratulations. You may experience some spotting or bleeding at this time because of implantation of the zygote. Fetal development. When you're 4 weeks pregnant, the age of your fetus is just 2 weeks. Now, you would have a lot of questions in your mind. How is my baby developing at 4 weeks? What will my baby look like? What will be the changes in me? What should I eat at this time? What are the things that I should avoid? Whole lot of questions that you might have. Let's look at what is actually happening to your baby in these weeks. We'll try to answer these questions as much as possible in our series. Please stay tuned. Now, what is actually happening to your baby in these weeks? The single cell soon becomes a ball of cells and is then called an embryo. It's the size of a pinhead and is divided into 3 layers that will later form the organs and tissues of the baby. On the side are 2 folds of tissue that become the ears. Different layers of cells are formed called ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Ectoderm develops the neural tube from which the brain, backbone, and spinal cord and nerves will sprout. It also forms the hair, nails, teeth, and skin. The heart and the circulatory system begin to appear in the middle layer, mesoderm. It also forms the skeleton, connective tissues, reproductive system, and blood system. The third layer, or the endoderm, starts to house the lungs, intestines, and beginnings of the urinary system, liver, pancreas, and thyroid. In the meantime, the early version of the placenta, the chorionic villi, and the umbilical cord, which delivers nourishment and oxygen to your baby, are already working. The cells of the embryo grow lengthwise so that the cells assume a leaner shape. That's the appearance of the baby. Mother. At this time, your pregnancy doesn't show at all. You do not gain any weight. First and foremost, you must realize that your health and your actions affect your pregnancy. And this is what this series is all about, to guide you through your pregnancy-related doubts. Except for the emotional whirlwind of happiness, anxiety, and blackout, you will hardly feel any other symptoms at this stage. The first trimester is very crucial for the formation of the baby. Avoid alcohol, smoking, and any exercises in the first month. Even secondary smoking is harmful at this stage. If people around you are smoking, tell them to avoid it when you are around. Start consuming healthy food and take a supplement of folic acid if not started as yet. Folic acid is extremely important for the normal growth of the baby and for your health. In fact, if you have planned this baby, it would be wise to start folic acid from 2 to 3 months before you become pregnant. A tip for daddies: if your partner is trying for pregnancy and avoiding smoking and alcohol, encourage her, and you can quit it too. This is a crucial time for your partner. Give your partner flowers and gifts because she is going to give you the most beautiful gift soon. Keep her happy. She's on a roller coaster of emotions for the next 9 months. Stabilize her with your love. Let's talk about nutrition. What should you eat if you're struggling with morning sickness and nausea? About 75% of expecting moms experience nausea, upset stomach, or other morning sickness symptoms during the first 3 months of pregnancy. To try to ease the squeeze, take frequent small meals every few hours instead of big ones. Staying hungry for too long can make nausea worse, as eating a lot too can make you uncomfortable. Try foods that cool down the body and the stomach, like yogurt or cottage cheese, or fruits like watermelon that have more water content. Avoid spicy and very high fat foods, as these can lead to heartburn or stomach discomfort. Liquid meals will be better consumed if you have an upset stomach. Keep easy to eat snacks handy for emergencies. But though it's important to eat well, try not to worry about it too much. Your pregnancy journey is already taking you through a roller coaster of emotions. You definitely don't want to add stress and anxiety to it. Just try to add lots of fruits and fiber to your everyday intake and stay hydrated. Keep snacks ready. Healthy snacks will help to regulate your sugar levels. Be sure to take your vitamins. You may not do vigorous exercises but can start with breathing exercises and walks. Read good books and watch out for the next week's video. See the miracle unfold through our eyes. Stay tuned for week 5. We will be getting that to you very soon. And congratulations on your pregnancy once again.